Here's how to create a Spectrum account online. First, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to spectrum.net. Now find the option of Not a Spectrum Customer, Get Started and click on that. Here you should be able to find different internet, TV and mobile plans. Once you have found the one that you want, go ahead and tap on the Shop Now option. Now, you will have to enter your street address, apartment or unit number and your zip code to check the availability of Spectrum. Once you have entered all the details, tap on Go. Now the website will check for the availability. If Spectrum is available, you want to follow the on-screen instructions to choose your plan and complete the sign-up process. If the website shows that there's already a Spectrum account associated with your address, select the option indicating that you're a new customer at that address if that is available. If prompted, call the phone number provided to speak with the Spectrum representative who can help you choose the best available offer and create your Spectrum account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.